Hey, what's up guys, this is the Honest Hustler and welcome back to another review video. What if I told you now you can make videos that are proven high conversion marketing videos to get you more sales in 3 simple steps? Imagine now you can make videos that bring more views, generate more leads and make more sales by simply clicking with your mouse. Yes guys, you heard me right, you will be able to make promotional videos, advertising videos and even sales videos. You do not need any video creation experience at all. All you need guys is the VidMoto, which is the product we will review today. Without any further, let's get started. So guys, with VidMoto you can create full long promotional videos, advertising videos, and like I said before, even sales videos in minutes. You just choose VidMoto video template and you want and click and swap and then let the VidMoto app make the video for you. VidMoto guys is like a Silicon Valley company software as creation of full video from templates, but for one-time price for unlimited videos, plus can also make full animated videos on top of full motion, so best of both worlds. So guys, this is the sales page, world first AI based video maker platform at low one-time price. Turn your old boring videos into a brand new breaking video with the latest version of the AI based technology of 2022. Use and sell unlimited motion animation and high quality videos to your clients with commercial lessons. So guys, this is some features of the VidMoto. Professional AI-based video maker cloud-based platform, AI-based automatic sound wave generator, and a lot of features. You can, of course guys, I will link the link of VidMoto and the sales page in the description below. Like I said guys, there is only 3 steps to use the VidMoto. Step number 1 is log in and select ready to use templates or start from scratch. Step number 2 is add your text or music and AI will automatically add sound waves and subtitles to your video. And step number 3 is preview or download it one click, create unlimited videos and use it for yourself or sell it to your clients and keep the profits. So guys, you can scroll all the sales page. Like you see guys here, this is some features and more details about the VidMoto. You will find a lot of information about this wonderful product and the sales page, and of course guys, you need to take your time to see all the informations about this wonderful product. Now guys, let's see the VidMoto product from inside. Now guys, before I show you the price of the VidMoto, I will glad to show you some bonuses, valuable bonuses you will get if you purchase the VidMoto, which the link like I said in the description below. Bonus number 1 is the cartoon maker, value $297. Bonus number 2 guys is the doodle creator, value $667. Bonus number 3 is the Odify, value at $567. Bonus number 4 is 28% discount on all upgrades of the VidMoto, which is great, value $297. And bonus number 5 guys, which is the final bonus, unlimited commercial lessons. You have full rights to use this software. You can use it for anyone, whether for individuals or for companies. Generate massive free traffic sales and leads to yourself and for others as well, valued at $997. So guys, for the price of the VidMoto, so basically you will get the professional AI based video maker cloud based platform, AI based automatic sound wave generator, AI based automatic voice to subtitle generator, plus 100 high quality ready to use templates, and built image to sketch converter tool, and built photo background removal feature, searchable stock assets feature with no copyrights, AI based voice over generator feature, commercial lessons included, no limitation, completely free, sell unlimited assets and videos to earn like the big boys, no special skills or experience required, unlimited one-click download, social sharing features, and the bonuses I just showed you before. All this guys, valued at almost $9,000. You can get it today guys for just $17, one-time pay, no monthly fees, and of course guys, you will get a 30 days money back guarantee if you face a problem using the VidMoto or you don't like it at all. So guys, since every business now needs promo, ad and sales videos, the market is enormous. You can sell marketing video creation service on Fiverr, Upwork, other freelancer sites, and even market them to local businesses on your area. The market for you for video creation is truly almost infinite, and because making marketing videos with VidMoto is so easy, there is no limit to amount of videos that you can create and sell. Like I said guys, the link of the VidMoto in the description below, and I will much appreciate it if you use it because I will get a small commission. Also guys, you will get the 5 valuable bonuses I just showed you before. Take care guys and see you later.